When you're investing in a company, how do you evaluate whether they're the only one or whether there are competitors, and how deep that market is?
So when we invest, of course, typically the company has nothing. It's just a founder or two, and there may or may not be a napkin with something drawn on it. And we do a lot of research. In the case of Prisma Photonics, by the way, fiber sensing is an existing market. It's about 800 million to $1 billion maybe, with primarily dysfunctional solutions. And what Prisma Photonics was able to do is to improve the quality of the solution anywhere between 10 and 100-fold, just by improving the sensitivity and reducing the risk of false alarm. The way I like to describe it is if you had a security camera in front of your house and it had 3 pixels by 3 pixels, any kind of movement, whether it's a plant, it's the mailman, would alarm you, and you would open the door to see what's going on. If you have 3,000 pixels by 3,000 pixels, you have a very clear picture, and you know if it's the mailman, if it's your friend, it's your neighbor, it's a child on a tricycle, or it's a thief, with a knife. And that's what Prisma Photonics brought to the table. So it was an existing market that can be won by a superior solution, but it can also be extended significantly to other use cases where the technology was not able to be effective.
To see more conversations with extraordinary Israeli business entrepreneurs, visit theisraelconference.org.